This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, skid plates, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, an integrated tailgate step, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, leather seats, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, adjustable driver pedals, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Superior Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 491 Highway 412 East in Siloam Springs.